Hello, Miggers from Scrunky here, and let's talk Rick McCracken. Known for being creative stuff like Three Girls, Fight Monkey, Satan and the 1%, to Boy Goes to a House of Hallucinogens, and Harry Hillbilly and Dino GF in Space. He also created this show on Netflix recently called Kid Cosmic, and it got pretty much plenty of love, given he created shows for many 90s kids and 2000s kids like me's childhoods. Okay, not actually everyone's, like, everyone's, but this show is on Netflix, and since I started doing reviewing stuff on Netflix, not a lot of things, and since when I review those, they get good views, I thought, let's do it. Let's get started. The show is about a bunch of 5 average Joes with rings from space. Kid Cosmic, whose ring can fly. Black woman, whose ring can actually make her teleport. Latino girl, she can grow big. Old man can multiply and rig the election. Insert political figure joke about that, because he's old and because that's literally the only joke I can think about him. And Cat can see his rankings make him see for the future. And they fight usually the alien of the week and apparently the government, because the government's after them. Yeah, this show went from aliens bad to the government's on our tail, and they take away our rings and use them to power these. If an 80s toy line designed the Power Rangers, because they're used for this task force that, to be honest, would be a funny idea to actually make toys out of. Like, I was like thinking, oh, these things should be in toy. They should get, like, action figures. I couldn't stop likely. And their leader's a biker, apparently. And they also fight, apparently, and the task force also fights the aliens whose stones are actually from their destroyed planets. And one of them apparently looks like a Stitch cousin. I couldn't find an image for that alien, so you're gonna have to watch the show. And now to the things I do not like about this show. The Dead Parents trope with Kid Cosmic is kind of a bit tiresome with me, because every comic book, at least comic book based or comic book inspired character has dead parents. Seriously, we get it, but it's not really very revolutionary if every character does this. Now on to the things I like. Oh boy, where to start? Like, the art style, the animation, the character designs look amazing. This setting is splendid. And this, it's Steven Universe with, at least a lot of people compare it, because everything that revolves around a team that revolves around rocks, apparently is the rocks that have sex with each other to make into a bigger person. And I could see that, but not. This show has a different character development. And yes, there's the alien thing, but then again, many shows actually revolve around aliens. And overall, this show is amazing. Like, I really enjoyed it. And the kiddos might even take a love into it. And I will be taking a look at a certain film that recently is going to be on Netflix that was originally going to be on theaters. Not until for some weeks. and and you can guess which one that is. Subtlety isn't my middle name.